This 2021 Jayco Redhawk SE 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2021 Jayco Redhawk SE 22A is built on a Chevy 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.